Hi everybody, today is Monday and I just heard the tornado sirens going off 2 separate times here in my town, and so yeah, we're getting some thunderstorms right now, and it's pretty windy and some rain. Hopefully it won't be like a flooding rain. Looks like there's a lot of rain already in the street. When it comes down too hard and too fast, then there's just flooding and it runs off. I watched on the WGN Midday News the other day. They had a gardening expert woman, and there's a tool called an aerator, and she said to use that before the next rainstorm, because if it does come down too hard and too fast, it just it rolls right off, and then it pools in the streets and in between the houses, because the sewer system can't handle all that rain all at once. But I didn't get a chance to get one of those aerator tools where you poke little holes in the ground so that the water seeps in. Oh, lightning. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Shayla's hyperventilating in the bedroom right now. There was thunder. Oh boy. Well, at least I won't be having to... Well, I did water the plants this morning, but just the two in the front, the 2 perennials and the little potted plant. Call it my clearance plant, because I got it on clearance. Oh my goodness. Lightning, lightning, lightning. Seems like the power is flickering. I just saw across the way my neighbor's kitchen light keeps like blinking. So yeah, they have their bedroom window. That's their front bedroom window right there, and they've got the drapes open, looking at the storm. Oh boy. Lightning. When the lightning and thunder are right on top of each other, that means you're in the eye of the storm. You are in the eye of the storm. I see some branches, and I don't know if some neighbor's tree got hit. There was a lightning strike not too long ago that was like right close by. Wondering if my neighbor's maple tree got hit. Oh my gosh. I'm not going out there to check right now. Oh, the permits for my roofing job and the solar, they didn't tape the bottom part of it. They just taped the top. Oh crap. I'm gonna have to put some tape on there, just in case, because they're not done with the roofing. They gotta come back and finish the caulk job that was not done properly, and the gaps in the fascia. But they're not gonna be able to work outside today, at least not right now, because of the storm. But at least my plants are getting some rainwater, and I'm sure the farmers, although there's not too many of them still around in this area, but I'm sure the farmers are happy about the rain, because the ground has been pretty cracked. It looks like the La Brea tar pits or something. Indiana sand dunes, I don't know. But yeah. Oh my goodness. My little wind spinner thing is going a mile a minute. Not slowed down. Oh seems like an eerie quiet, and the breeze stopped. Yeah, there's no breeze. Oh my goodness. They say it sounds like a train when a tornado is about to hit. I only remember one time when I was a kid when we had to go in the bathroom because that's the middle room of the house. I don't have a basement, but I only remember one time when we had to huddle in the bathroom and have our flashlights ready. And yeah. There was a big tornado storm that happened in Plainfield, which is one of the southwest suburbs near me, and it destroyed one of the schools there. I think that was back in the 90s. But luckily there wasn't any classes at the time. There were no kids or anybody inside the school. But Nathan's mom has a dental appointment today, and he's got to take her to it. I believe it's at 2:45 this afternoon. And I don't know. We shall see, we shall see. Oh my goodness. I think he's on the phone with her right now. Okay. Well, thank you for sending some rain my way. I was asking for some positive vibes, for some rain in Kirby's mom's live stream earlier this morning. So, thank you, Kirby. And thank you, Kirby's chat. Yeah, because we've been really, really, really dry. Yep. Alright, take care, everyone. Hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe.